Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon popsicle. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. We'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a small circle on the bottom right. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now I want to move in between the eyes across the bottom and draw a straight line going across the mouth. Go back to the left side, curve the mouth coming down and then up. Let's add a straight line across the top of the teeth, and then a curve across the bottom from the tongue, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Let's start on the left side, go all the way across towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw a straight line going up. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the top of the popsicle, going up toward the top, come around, and then down on the right side. Let's go to the bottom and the center and draw two lines coming down the side of the stick, one on the left, and then one on the right. And we'll round out the bottom of the stick. Let's separate the popsicle into three sections with a wave starting across the bottom, just up above the eyes, and bring it down towards the right. Go up towards the top and do that again. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there's our cute cartoon drawing of a popsicle. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.